Your customers don't see it. They probably don't even think about it. But the lifeblood of your business is information technology that's always available. No matter the industry, business continuity means keeping your critical systems up and running. So how do you achieve this resilience? How do you ensure that all of the things that could go wrong never do? That your systems are built to meet the needs of your dynamic business, and that your critical infrastructure is protected no matter where it's located. At Vertiv, our team of global service experts offer a combination of technological expertise, industry knowledge, worldwide resources, and over 50 years of experience in critical infrastructure services. We have more than 300 service centers around the world with thousands of field service engineers at the ready, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, each delivering a standardized and uncompromising level of support. It's no wonder that some of the world's biggest companies trust us to maintain their resilience in all corners of the world. So put our decades of experience to work for you. We can design and build every aspect of your infrastructure and then provide service at a level that will keep it available, sustainable, and future ready. Your customers never have to worry about your infrastructure, and with Vertiv services, neither will you.